Yo, welcome to FunCraft Kidos. Today we're gonna make
take three.
Yo, welcome to FunCraft Kidos. Today we're gonna make a banana pencil.
Banana.
Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bells for more videos like this. And Rose has not been sharpened. Now, this is gonna be a banana pencil.
What you need is
Aluminum foil, a useless pencil, but they're not really useless. Some paint brushes, or paintbrush, hot glue if you're above 9.
no. If you're 7 or younger.
No, hot glue for above 9.
I'm not above 9 and I use it.
Last but not
Mommy, I
least,
ate it
the
like
snipper is 8.
snippers.
This year, only on 2022, he is 8. Don't think that
I
he
am
will
8
be
for
8.
the rest of my life.
Alright, first you paint. Open, take a random paintbrush you love,
And then paint the paper from both sides, front and back.
Okay, this paint has really failed me. Now we paint the other side.
Eek!
Now, while we wait for our yellow sheets to dry, we need aluminum foil to shape it as a banana. Be careful, you could get a razor sharp cut. Ask a guardian to do it for you. We need as much as the paper, but when you do all the crunching, it becomes smaller and smaller.
That's
This
copyright.
is you do a hot dog fold.
Dog.
Because if you put a sausage in here, you got an aluminum foil hot dog. Action. It should be a sweet rectangle. So if you got anything sticking out like ours, fold it. Then you put up your pencil on any side. You can do it on this side, this side, or this side. Roll it like a scroll. Then you get the pencil out, open it again to the first moment, and you will have it nicely done. So it's gonna be easier. So it's already done. And then put your, you're done? Put your finger in from one side so you don't lose the hole. And from the other, you close it and tighten it.
It's too sick.
So your pencil can't fall out from the other side. Now get your pencil. My pencil is just jumping out. Then close this side. It'll simply come out and in. The way to make a banana shape is like you bend a bit from the bottom. Really gently, just move. You slightly bend a bit like this. Like if you want to make one side pointy and the other not as pointy, because bananas have a pointy side. But if your pencil goes like when you're writing, it annoys you, like going up and down and up and down, then there's another solution. Then you hot glue the tips to make it tight and stuck forever. If you're under 9, ask your parents for help. Then safety. Now take your hot glue, we made it up, and to secure it, put hot glue
onto this
on the tip, onto this flap.
A tip is this.
And then seal it permanently. And now it's time for the pencil because you know that. Bro, it's your turn. The tip is not to use the hot glue when it's on. Use it after 2-3 minutes. Do not touch it or you will be burnt for an hour like I have suffered. Next, the final step.
Put the banana pencil
in a diagonal
position.
In a diagonal position. I meant the opposite position, like this. Like this side. Yeah, good. And then you this tip, bring it down over here to the bottom of that Okay. Then cut the excess on this side. This is so hard. Like this one. Make it more of a banana shape.
Banana.
Snip, snip, snip. Make a good banana vibe.
Banana.
Should look something like this. Like a taco. Next step. You have a taco shape.
Tacos.
You make your pencil tip hide in the corner like it's miserable. Hide this point inside the paper.
Taco.
Yeah, good. The pointy part should be hiding.
Wow.
Now,
So good.
take some hot glue and glue it so it's easier to attach. I just hot gluified my pencil. You attach it to the aluminum foil. Ah, hot. Oh, it burns. The heat
Of the gun. That is why you should not use hot glue. If you are younger than 8, then use PVA glue to combine them or a glue stick. Nothing else.
And
everything else is too hot or
do the
too strong.
exact same thing with the other side, but this time it should be on top of your previous fold. Kind of like you're making the shawarma. You know what shawarma is? Like a burrito. Yeah, a shawarma.
A burrito.
Then you also do the same thing at the bottom over here.
Oh, you bottom.
Head onto this.
Now glue this part onto this part.
You can't say that. I'm the teacher. I just noticed a little wiggly boy is here. Let's just tighten him permanently for the rest of his little life. Yeah, that'll help him.
Whenever I'm gonna take you, just pick it up.
There's a hole. Me. I'm gonna just kill that little hole over here.
It's a kill. It's a kid show.
I'm gonna glue these together to make a more of a banana vibe. So now it's time for the eyes. We do it on this side because when you write, its face will be smiling back at you. Okay.
I'm gonna do it
hot
on
glue
this part.
and try making
Just to
the
make it
best
this
beady
side.
circle you can.
Make the best circles you can make.
It's okay if they aren't equal. Mine aren't equal. Later we'll push them down and make them round. And now this is the moment for that later.
The moment of truth.
Now I press.
I wanna make the eyeballs.
No, I'll leave it for drying for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Fast forward this part.
6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
I'm gonna do it. Now, time to color the eyes with
I don't have
the
any eyes,
Sharpie.
guys. So you have to be extra patient.
And then you trace around for the... This is mine. And now I'm just gonna color the top brown. I realized brown makes it beautiful. And these are the pencils we've made. Make the eyes like this, hog blue balls, or you can make them glasses, or you can make them like bros, just normal eyes. But you could add that little circle in them for the light. These two are sis, these two are bros.
Like and subscribe, hit the notification bells for more videos like this.
And we'll see you
In the next video.
after
Bye!
5 years. And look at the sweet thing I made. Wow.
She also made one for me.
Wow. When you do this, it goes on forever. It's called infinite paper. That's what I call
Infinite
it.
spinner.
Because we go round and round and round and round and round, and it never gets tangled. It's majestic. I will show you soon how to make this in our next,
But not our next video, like after a long time.
bye bye bum bum ba dum bum. And it also goes like a bracelet. Bye everyone.
Dun 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 dun
How do
dun.
you
Bum
do
bum.
this?